Okay, today we're going to be drawing a car, looking at creating block lines, block contour lines rather than linear as we've been doing before. You see the car there and we beam right in. Just going to concentrate on the back end of the car first, looking at creating blocks of form. You can see here with the car, the back part, drawing in slight cubes here. You can see this one here is going forward rather than a linear line. It's just looking at creating the form of the car. This part here at the back here, I'm using simple blocks. Not an easy thing to do, but as you can see, let's go up towards the bottom part there. The form is so much more defined. And around the back there we've got a slight angle, almost like a daily triangle here, just to fit that further part in. Coming around here, a little twist as you can see, so that form has been brought forward here. Again, nothing is completed in outline, it's all block form, as you can see there. What we're going to do now is to beam in and look at other aspects of the car. We've just been drawing there. Let's just go out again. Maybe move across so we can see other parts of the car being drawn here. We're going to look at the wheel again. It's slightly pre-drawn just to get the kind of directions of where the blocks have to be. This again, having an edge here. Can you see this part here curving in? Again, looking at where the direction of the chassis goes there. You've got to twist in, this bit goes in and then comes around like so. So what you have to do is to create a block which has that kind of potential form to it. See, again, might look a little bit blocky at the time here, but what you are doing is creating sculptural drawings, which obviously they'll become more subtle as you work into them, and blocks will be reduced, so in the end you've just got literally solid form. But initially starting off like this is a very good idea. And it's a basic building blocks, so to speak, of creating 3 dimensions. Again, if you look up here, the window at the back is like a curve. And add the form down there, like so. And come up to the top of the ceiling here. Again, blocked. So this is what you have to do for the remainder of the session here. Obviously you can see that in doing so the car begins to take greater form. It's not flat at all, and we go further forward here, just try to look at other parts, front, etc. Again, we're building these blocks very, very carefully, and this is going to enable us to add shading to the areas which are on the blocks, but the blocks will allow you to follow the actual contour lines itself. Many artists have used this form of drawing initially. Olga Kujura, in some cases the great Renaissance artists would have started. Michelangelo has been known to have used block forms. A lot of the artists sculptures anyway, so they'd be looking at marble, chiseling out forms of the body in marble first, which would enable them to understand the block form, which would then create more sculptural drawings. Again, put the emphasis here again on this block going that way there, like so. You can see it goes underneath and down. And again, we put the other wheel in here. This drawing will be much more sculptural than if you just done an outline and filled in. What we're going to do now is go back. We can go back initially to where the edge of the drawing was. Let's just kind of beam in here. Just about right there. And just begin to shade, show the directions of the lines at the back of the car. The shading obviously will take place following the form, as you can see here. This block will go in one direction. Again, you can see, you know that that plane here is following the direction here. And you can see that the drawing now is becoming much more sculptured, because we're putting the fine lines of shading and following the edges of these cubes, triangles and circles that we formed here. You can see right in there, got a nice edge there, and it curves around slightly, so much more so there. The edge of the wheel, you know it's going in that direction. Inside here. You can see that we're creating three-dimensional form. You can apply this technique, just doing a triangle here at the edge, you see. Apply this technique to any object, football boot, it could be any still life, object like the car here, the human form, all applies. And you know that in doing this, even if you did a sculpture, you would create the form as such. Okay, that's the end of the demo.